Welcome to a glimpse of elegance and modern living in the heart of Sri Lanka. Today, we bring you an exquisite opportunity to own a luxurious single-story brand new house in the highly desirable location of Piliyandala Middletown. Nestled amidst the tranquility of nature, this property boasts a breathtaking view of the lush paddy fields, offering you a peaceful sanctuary to call home. Here we have the gem you've been waiting for, a stunning, single-story house that is guaranteed to enchant you. Situated just 500 meters away from Piliyandala town, convenience is at your doorstep. The niyar Madapatha bus road and a nearby Cargills food city ensure all your daily needs are within walking distance. Spanning across 8.5 perches of land, this elegant residence offers ample space for comfortable living. Inside, you'll discover 3 beautifully designed bedrooms, perfect for the entire family. With 3 bathrooms, there'll be no more early morning queues. And yes, the luxury of hot water is just a faucet away. Worried about parking? Fear not. The property comes with a generous parking space for 2 of your beloved vehicles, ensuring their safety and convenience. Imagine waking up to this mesmerizing view every morning, the serene sight of the paddy fields greeting you with nature's embrace. Rest assured, this house is fully compliant, with all necessary documents in place. The approved plan and the certificate of conformity provide you peace of mind that your investment is secure. Don't let this incredible opportunity slip through your fingers. For more details and to schedule a viewing, contact us via WhatsApp at telephone 075 299 4333. Luxury living awaits you at this brand new house in the middle town of Piliyandala. Take the step towards a life of comfort, convenience, and breathtaking beauty. Don't wait too long, make this dream house yours today. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. If you're interested or have any inquiries, remember to contact us through WhatsApp at telephone 075 299 4333. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive property tours and updates on real estate in Sri Lanka. Until next time, happy house hunting!